We're all aware that there are some criminal elements who sabotage this oil and gas infrastructure, and our task is to take them out while ensuring that the oil companies continue to produce crude oil as appropriate. I'm very much aware of the operations that are ongoing in Sector 3, and I want to commend the commander and all of you for a job well done.
In that place, we supported it.
So you not achieve the objective.
You will not achieve anything. You will just go and meet yourself, only you there.
Well, like you know, Operation Delta Safe has a mandate from Defense Headquarters to protect oil and gas infrastructure in the Niger Delta for economic activities to thrive. As part of his mandate, Operation Delta Safe is meant to deter the activities of criminal elements who set up illegal refining sites, like we just saw. One of them was destroyed here at Iba. So our mandate is to go after these criminals and destroy these illegal refining sites in pursuance of the mandate of OPDS.